In today's video, I'm going to explain a very quick strategy that is really simple. This strategy can be used on any time frame, on any type of financial asset, and uses an exponential moving average, EMA, and momentum indicator. In my case, I'm going to use it on Bitcoin on the 15-minute chart. The first thing we will have to do is select an exponential moving average. This EMA, we will put it in 13 periods, we will change the color to light blue, and we will increase the thickness a little. Then we will have to select the momentum indicator. We will put this indicator with a value of 14. And with the help of the horizontal line tool, we will mark a line at the value of 100 of the momentum indicator. As I said, this strategy is really simple. To make a buy trade, all we have to do is wait for the momentum line to cross from below to above its 100 line, and at that very moment, a candlestick crosses the 13-period EMA from below to above. If this is true, we will carry out the buy operation. We will put our stop at the last great low, and our take profit at a risk-benefit ratio of at least 1.5 to 1. That is, we risk 1 to try to win 1.5. To make a sell trade, all we have to do is wait for the momentum line to cross its 100 line from top to bottom, and at that very moment, a candlestick crosses the 13-period EMA from top to bottom. If this is true, we will perform the sell operation. We will put our stop at the last high and our take profit at a risk-benefit ratio of at least 1.5 to 1. That is, we risk 1 to try to win 1.5. Both for the buy and sell operation, it is very important that the candle crosses the EMA of 13, that is, that the candle opens on one side of the EMA and closes on the other side. If this is not the case, it is better do not perform the operation. Let's see some more examples. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.